What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis, and on today's video we have a brand new bowling ball review, this time for the track stealth mode. This is one that I'm pretty excited about because I've liked the other stealths, the other stealth that I threw. I had the stealth hybrid. I was a really big fan of this one, and the stealth mode is going to have a lot of same similarities to that ball with one really key difference that actually makes me more excited for this ball. Before we get into any of the details behind the stealth mode, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're on the way to our next big major milestone, and with your help, we can absolutely get there. So, what is different about the stealth mode? Well, before we get into the differences, let's talk a little bit about the similarities. It features the same stealth core that was featured in the other stealths, which in 15 pounds has an RG of 2.48 and a max differential of 0.056. So a low RG, high differential core. So the core in this ball, or the engine, wants it to be early, very rolly, okay? And then wrapped around that stealth core is the QR10 solid cover stock that comes out of box at a 1500 grit sanded finish. So they took an early, smooth rolling core and paired it with a nice solid cover stock that's gonna, I imagine it's gonna be pretty early, pretty smooth, with a nice amount of surface. Not too much, not too little, okay? If you would like to order this stealth mode, please use the link down below in the description. That'll take you to JB Bowling Supply's website. It's a direct way to help support me and help support the people that support me and really support a local pro shop here in Las Vegas. The ball spinners are also going to be down below in the description. Another really great way to help support the channel. Then if you'd like to order one of the jerseys that's featured in the channel, EFX.co, promo code Napoles10, that'll get you 10% off your entire order. Now, when we talk about the layout, it's not a layout that I use often, but it's the same layout that I had on my Effect Tour, if you remember, being 5x5x4. So the core and the cover on this ball want to be nice and smooth, early, smooth rolling. So I wanted to put a very similar layout that would enhance that experience that this ball is trying to achieve. We're going to be here at Sam's Town on lane 54 on a fresh PBA Viper oil pattern, 2-to-1 ratio, 39 feet. So we are not reviewing this on a house shot. I will eventually get this on a house shot, but for this initial review is going to be on a PBA oil pattern. All right, so this is going to be the first shot of the video, throwing the track stealth mode on a completely fresh Viper pattern. No shots have gone down the lane on this lane. All the shots got thrown on 53. So we're going to take a complete guess here. Let's hit the rosin. And like I said, just take a guess. We're going to start at about 18 with our feet. And this is the first time this ball goes down the lane. So that's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something that was going to be early, very smooth, like I said in the intro. And just based on that first shot, it's exactly what I was looking for. So let's throw a couple more shots and see if it continues to be like that. All right, that was a pretty good guess. We're going to go right back to that same spot. I changed the angle of the camera a little bit. So let's see what this looks like here. Oh, I missed right. Yeah, it almost doesn't matter what you throw. If you miss right like that on a PBA pattern like this, it's never going to come back. So let's just make a better shot. All right, let's really make sure we get this up the lane instead of missing to the right. And if I have to move left, I will. I just want it to stay a little bit straighter to start. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think I can even move my eyes left. And not shove it right. Just get it, like I said, more up the lane. But this ball is smooth. I think this is going to look really good on a house shot. But today we're not bowling on a house shot at all. If you guys want in a separate video, maybe I can throw this on house. But I think that this can be a really good house shot ball just because of how smooth it is. All right, so again, same spot, but we're going to cheat our eyes left down lane. There we go. Bang. All right, so I mean, I fell off, so Jordan Katz is going to say it's a bad shot. F you, Jordan. But we just got to make sure that one was up the lane. I didn't get it right, and it smothered the wreck. So good shot. Yeah, that is really, really good. Let's try to repeat that shot here. Oh, I missed left. Labor? Nope. Wow, that was really, really lucky. I am gonna say I'm filming this on January 19th. I'm not allowed to post this or even talk about this ball till February 4th, I think is when it is. And that just goes to show you, like, this is the first of these 4 balls that I'm filming because it's the one I think I was the most excited about. So, yeah, good thing here. All right, so now I know I got room. Just make sure I get it up the lane. Little 3 in a row, I think, here since I started doing that. So let's keep that up. Oh, that's a terrible shot. Yeah, that has no shot to strike when I throw it that bad. All right, no need to make a move off that. It was a bad shot. Just throw it better. Keep my hand nice and under the ball. Don't rush to the foul line. Make a good one here. Like there. Oh, that is heart-wrenching because I thought I threw that really good. But in any case, we're going to reset the 10-pin and throw a better shot. All right, we're going to move 1 left off that wrap 10 because that was a really good shot. Can't be too mad at that. Let's see what this looks like now. There we go. Nice continuation. You know, colors-wise, also down lane, it kind of looks like the Effector, but similar kind of that motion, that early, rolly, smooth type of ball. It's one of those balls that's very boring, but does the right. I mean, if you ask me if this is a good ball, the answer is yes, right? It's early, it's smooth, it's rolly. It does everything that I'm looking for out of a benchmark ball. I'm looking forward to throwing this on house to see what this looks like. Oh, I will absolutely take that. I don't know if it looks amazing on Viper because when I was filming on lane 53, I was throwing the level and the purple hammer on this same pattern, and it looked really, really good. So getting into reactive was a little bit funky for me, but I definitely think it does the right thing, and I think that this is going to be a favorite of a lot of people. Like I said, if you like those early, rolly, strong, smooth bowling balls. And so my buddy Joel Reynoso, which if you guys don't know who he is, his name on Instagram is jburr300. He loves his Trek Stealths. So I know that he's gonna really, really like this ball. Joel, if you're watching, I love you, bro. Nope. Yeah, I really threw that slow, really spun that one. As soon as I mentioned Joel, of course I throw it like absolute crap. So I didn't do that on purpose where I spun it, but it's nice to know that it has that option where if I do come around it a little bit more, it does shape a little bit more. So this will be my last shot from straighter, then I'll move in a little bit and see what it looks like. Yeah, I think it's time to just move in. Even though I missed in, that was not a great shot. I just think it's time to see what it looks like from in. I've seen all that I need to see behind this stealth mode and see what happens. All right, let's move in a little bit, shape it a little bit. I mean, I'm not gonna shove it right. I'm still trying to get to like 10 down lane and see what this looks like. Yeah, so I think that actually looks better than a little bit straighter. I fell off, I missed a little bit right, and it still recovered. So let's just make a better shot. Yeah. All right, so let's throw that same shot, not miss it right. See a nice little flush shot here. That one I missed left. So when I move in, I have room left and right. Last shot of the video coming up. Let's hit our mark. All right, last shot of the video here. Ended on a banger. If not, we'll just throw another shot. That's a good shot. Woo. Pew, pew, pew. That's a good one to end it on. Guys, track stealth mode, really good ball, right? If you're looking for early, smooth, predictable ball motion, seems like it's pretty versatile. Again, this is a PBA Viper pattern, not a fresh house shot. I am gonna want to throw this on a house shot at a separate time to see what it looks like. But so far, I'm impressed, and I think you guys are gonna really like this kind of ball motion.